Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send money from the Revolut app to bKash, that being the Bangladeshi finance app. So let's get started. Now, to transfer money from your Revolut account to Bangladesh, more specifically on someone's bKash account, you would first need to open up your Revolut app just like this. And then just go ahead and tap on the payment section right here in the middle. From there, tap on the plus icon in the upper right corner. And on this menu, you have a lot of different payment options, but the one that we're looking for is bKash. So you find bKash by tapping on this more icon right here, and then you would be able to see bKash right here. So let's go ahead and select bKash. Now you would need to add a recipient, so let's go ahead and quickly do that. So to add a recipient, you would just need to input their bKash phone number and their first and last name. Once you have all the information inputted, go ahead and tap on Add Recipient. Next up, you would need to provide some additional info about the recipient, so that's their street number, their zip code, and their town or city. So let's go ahead and quickly fill in these boxes. So this is an example of how it should look like. Now, once you filled in all the information that's required, just go ahead and tap on Add Recipient right here. And there we go. So now we added this recipient, and now we would be able to select the amount of money that we would like to send. So here we have Bangladeshi taka that we can send. For example, we can input 1000 because the minimum is 100. Now, once you inputted the amount of Bangladeshi taka that you would like to transfer, you can just go ahead and tap on continue. And then on the next screen, just go ahead and confirm the transaction. From there, the transaction will be sent and received on the recipient's bKash account. So essentially, guys, that's how you can send money from Revolut directly to someone's bKash account in Bangladesh. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.